A major indicator of healthy skin is a natural glow. But factors like stressful lifestyles, hectic work schedules, inadequate sleep, lack of nutritional diet, pollution, and bad habits can make your skin dull and dry. All of these are part and parcel of your life, and you cannot run away from them. However, you can surely prevent them. While you cannot hold on to your age, you can surely slow down the loss of glow and radiance from your skin. This is where homemade beauty recipes and simple preventive tips come in handy, as they are a natural and much simpler alternative to cosmetic products. Here are some of the best home remedies that you can implement as part of your beauty and skincare routine. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is rich in vitamins and antioxidants that are good for our skin. Aloe vera keeps skin glowing and soft. It also prevents acne. Aloe vera application on the skin helps to keep skin hydrated, improves elasticity, and prevents the development of wrinkles. Aloe vera has healing properties and may stimulate new cell growth. It also soothes and moisturizes without clogging pores. Using aloe vera after you've washed your face each day may give your skin that healthy glow. It's possible to be allergic to aloe vera. Test it first by rubbing a small amount on your forearm, and if there's no reaction in 24 hours, it should be safe to use. Coconut oil. Coconut oil has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and healing properties. But using coconut oil on your face may not work for every skin type. Do not use if you have allergies to coconut. If you're able to apply it without irritation, it can be used in a number of ways. You can use coconut oil to take off makeup, soothe your skin barrier, and promote dewy-looking skin that's healthy below the surface layer. Coconut oil is a good moisturizer. Try massaging a small amount of coconut oil onto your face. Let it soak in for a few minutes before washing off with your normal cleanser. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has natural antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. When applied to the skin, it can treat acne, heal injuries, including sun damage, and bring out your skin's natural glow. Before rubbing turmeric on your face, a few things to think about. First, it can temporarily stain your skin a yellow-orangish color. Second, some people are allergic to turmeric. Test it on a small area of skin before applying it to sensitive facial skin. Mix up a paste that's 1 part turmeric to 2 parts water. Simmer until it thickens, cool, and apply to skin. Cucumber. Include cucumbers not only in your diet, but also your beauty regimen. Cucumber has the same pH level as that of our skin. It helps in replenishing the skin's protective layer, keeps the skin hydrated, thus promoting glowing skin. You can put slices of cucumber on your eyes as they show in all the magazines and televisions. You can also put cucumber in a mixer grinder and apply the juice. Lemon. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acid. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. It boosts collagen production, maintaining the elasticity of the skin. It also helps to lighten our skin tone and moisturize our skin. It works amazingly on darkened knees and elbows. Lemons are antibacterial and prevent infections and acne. Drinking a glass of lemonade every day boosts immunity, detoxifies our body, and keeps our skin glowing and hydrated. Also, if you wish to apply lemon on your skin, please perform a patch test initially. Make a solution of lemon juice and water in the ratio of 2 to 3 and gently apply on your skin using cotton. Leave for 10 minutes and wash with cool water. Then pat dry. Honey. Honey protects and nourishes your skin, acting as a moisturizer and acne treatment. The key is to use raw, unpasteurized honey that still contains healthy bacteria. The bacteria works with your natural immune system to reduce inflammation and irritation, as well as put a smackdown on the bacteria that cause acne. It can even help heal and lighten acne scars. Honey's benefits don't stop there. It naturally exfoliates your skin, removing the dead skin cells that make your skin look dull. Please be aware that if you have allergies to pollen, celery, or bee venom, test the honey on a small area of your skin first. You don't want to have an allergic reaction once the honey is covering your face. You can smooth honey right on your face or mix it with other ingredients for multiply the benefits. Try mixing 3 parts honey to 1 part cinnamon as an acne treatment. Leave it on for 8 to 10 minutes, then rinse it off.